video you are about to see is a brief summary of the Haccp program for beef patties developed and implemented by Otto & Sons West Chicago plant. During the next few minutes, we will review the 7 critical control points, record keeping, and future additions to the food safety program. Haccp number 1, receiving raw materials. The hazards are microbial, chemical, and physical. The critical limits are checking the combo bin for packaging integrity, checking that the pack date is within 5 days, visually inspecting the product, checking the odor of the product, and checking the product temperature. Information is recorded on traffic tally sheet and initialed by dock worker. Haccp number 2, storage of raw materials. The hazard is microbial. The critical limits are checking the cooler temperature every 2 hours and making sure it is between 28 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperatures are recorded and paperwork is initialed. Haccp number 3, defect elimination. The hazard is physical. The critical limits are eliminating defects such as bone from the product and monitoring elimination systems for continuous discharge. Haccp number 4, rework. The hazards are microbial, chemical, and physical. The critical limits are rework must be used within 2 hours if greater than 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Rework must be edible by USDA standards. Rework must be free of foreign objects. The weight of each bin of rework must be documented along with the source and the initials of the employee responsible for processing the rework. Haccp number 5, metal detection. The hazard is physical. The critical limits are that the metal detector must be sensitive to 1.2 millimeters ferrous and checked by a standard every hour. The information and deviations are documented and paperwork is initialed by QC technician. Haccp number 6, sanitation. The hazard is microbial. The critical limits are pre-operational inspection must be performed daily and cleaning procedures be repeated as necessary. Sanitation supervisor fills out checklists and initials upon completion. Swab testing must be performed weekly on 24 pre-designated areas with results below 500 bacteria per square inch. Haccp number 7, good manufacturing practices. The hazards are microbial, chemical, and physical. The critical limits are any unsanitary condition. Jewelry must be removed. Hair must be neatly tucked into hairnet. Frocks must be clean. and gloves must be worn and must be washed and sanitized before product contact. The Haccp Library was developed as a central location for the record-keeping portion of our Haccp program. Although some of the documents are kept in the traffic and production departments, most of the documentation is forwarded to the Haccp Library at the end of each shift to be verified and filed. Also, as part of the library, there is a variance file, a deviation file, calibration record, as well as a copy of our Haccp program with the corresponding standard operating procedures and audit documentation. The library makes daily monitoring and monthly internal audits very easy, as well as verification audits performed by McDonald's and OSI quality assurance managers. Recently, the McDonald's Beef Haccp team identified 5 critical control points that they view as necessary for beef patty operations. Receiving raw materials, storage of raw materials, defect elimination, and metal detection are the 4 that are included in our Haccp program. The 5th is storage of finished products, which we have just implemented for a total of 8 CCPs in the program. Although we have a few extras, we feel that they are important to our operation. We hope that you have enjoyed our presentation and that it will be helpful as you learn about Haccp and develop new programs.